This is your iSAMS desktop. In the middle of the screen is the dashboard, and on the left-hand side is the module bar. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate and personalise the iSAMS dashboard and module bar. The iSAMS dashboard is made up of many different widgets, each containing useful information. Here you can see widgets for today's timetable and the school calendar. Scrolling down, you can see widgets for the daily bulletin, which is the school's online notice board. The widget also includes the detention list, absent list, those out of school, and students who are off games. You can personalise your dashboard easily by clicking and dragging each widget to move it to a different location. You can also resize widgets by clicking and dragging their bottom right corner. The three dots in the top right corner of each widget allow you to collapse it, refresh it, or delete it. Any changes you make to your dashboard are saved automatically, but it's easy to undo any changes that you aren't happy with. Simply click the Legacy Dashboard button at the top left of the dashboard and click Reset to reset the entire dashboard to the default settings. Right next to the Legacy Dashboard button is your account information. You can update your password or secret question here. And next to the account information is the iCommunity. Here you can find the latest iSAMS blog posts, forums and announcements to help you get the most out of iSAMS. All your school data is stored and managed in the iSAMS modules. Your school has carefully picked a range of modules to make the perfect iSAMS package for your needs. To see all the modules that your iSAMS administrator has granted you access to, simply click the waffle icon in the top left corner of the iSAMS desktop. To find a module, you can scroll through the list, use the categories on the left to filter the options, or type in the search bar. Once you find a module you want to use, simply click on it to open it up. The module will then open in the middle of the screen, on top of the dashboard. You can open more than one module, and you can see all modules you have open on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. When a module is open, you have three options in the top right corner. Reload refreshes the module's content. Minimize hides the module. When a module is minimized, you can click the buttons at the bottom of the screen to open it again. Finally, Close closes the module. On the left-hand side of the iSAMS dashboard is the module bar. You can add your favourite modules to the module bar, making it even quicker and easier to access the modules you use most often. To add a module to your favourites list, go to the waffle icon in the top left corner of the iSAMS desktop and find the module that you want to add. Click the star to add the module to your favourites. Now this module is added to your favourites filter and is easily accessible on the module bar. You can reorder modules on the module bar by dragging them up or down. All of this makes it easier for you to personalise your iSAMS desktop and find the information that you need every day.